Hey guys, just thought I'd provide you a bit of an update on the progress today. So it's been a lot of musical chairs around the cottage, moving various bits of furniture and stuff around because the site is so constricted. Essentially have to run it like a lean site. So yeah, a lot of musical chairs with various bits and pieces in the cottage, but finally managed to expose the areas that I want to get to. One of them being the rear conservatory area over here, where I've started to remove some of the plasterboarding. You can see some of the damp issues behind there, where the existing retaining wall is. I mean, this should have never really been sealed up in the first place, so just got this exposed now. Really excited to actually see the background and the condition of it before we start constructing the courtyard wall between the existing stone cottage wall over there and the concrete masonry wall over there. Yeah, there's an example out there of some of the bits I've had to move out the cottage. So some of the existing block work that was removed from the west elevation, pulled out, stacked up. I'm going to kind of reincorporate that in the refurbishment works, and then some of the concrete blocks stacked up there on the retaining wall, just to create the space so we can get the digger in here. Where this conservatory space will essentially be a external courtyard area. So, you know, you had things like the rainwater gully covered up by the floor, so that's been exposed, and some of the service mains. So yeah, quite a lot of work at the back here in this small area, just to kind of manage the surface water correctly and just allow this building to breathe again. Yeah, so got to take the fireplace out today and finish excavating along the wall over there. I'll also be cutting out the staircase over here, just so that I can get the bucket for the digger underneath where the staircase is at the moment, and actually excavate the floor up until this piece of furniture here. Some of the bits of furniture I'll leave on the ground floor, including some of the kitchen units that I'll dig out by hand at a later stage, just because of the limited space that we have on site. I have to kind of work around stuff. So yeah, so the side cabinets over there, the little dining room table, and the kitchen units with the range cooker will be left in place while I dig around it. And then once I've got the hardcore in, I can remove all those units and then excavate the surface beneath those units. So yeah, anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. I'll get the lapse camera on the go, and then yeah, you guys can see the hours work being done in a few seconds. See you later.